If you run a large operation, you likely have many fields, beds, buildings, enclosures, and a lot more on your farm map. You can see our pastures, beds, fields, our irrigation lines, animal enclosures, and the property boundary outlining it all. Having this comprehensive overview with everything is very useful, but maybe you'd also like to filter by specific location types. Perhaps you'd like to see your buildings and a property boundary, or maybe you just need your animal enclosures. To do that, just click on Type, and you'll be able to choose specific location types. Let's choose our fields and beds and filter. The map will reload, and we'll see just those specific locations. Going back to the Type menu, we can view all types to reload the page again. Maybe this time we just want to see animal enclosures. You can select as many or as few of these location types as you'd like to see.